Update on the Etios. The car is at home, so let's take a run through it and show you the damage. So as you can see, indicator unit, flasher gone. Nicely done. The wheel's also buggered because the wheel is this one is the spare wheel, the other one is in the boot. Not sure if the bonnet shifted, but we'll be able to see once we start repairing. Okay, so damage report so far from what I can see: headlight, bumper, crash bar. If we look under here, you'll see that the tie rod rack end is broken. Bonnet's got a dent in, fender as well, damaged. So as we start pulling apart fender, headlight, check if we can repair the bonnet, pull the wheel off, put on jack stands, check to see if the lower control arm is damaged or bent. If not, then we can just get the new tie rod in and rack end and fix that up. If the rack end is damaged, then or bent, we'll have to replace that as well. Frame looks to be straight. There's no kinks or anything in the frame. Like I said, I don't know if the CV joint might be damaged, but we don't know yet. We'll have to wait and see. Doesn't look like it. I just hope that the steering rack didn't jump a tooth or anything like that, so we don't have to replace the entire steering rack. But we won't be able to know once we do rack end and tie rod in replacement, do alignment, and take the car for the drive and see. But yeah, this is the main damage here. Major damage was done on the car, and Toyota lied to me. They said this car was never in an accident. What is that you see there? That's body filler.
A few moments later.
This is what's left of the front bumper. As you can see, that whole portion over there has been taken out. Passenger side. There are the pieces of the bumper. As you can see the fender liner, and then we've got the grille. So all these that are here are going to be dumped, including all the hard work that I put into this bumper is junked, so we'll be throwing that bumper away. Everything that is usable is that. The chrome portions of the grille and the two fog lights, that's all that's left that's usable from this front bumper assembly. So yeah, so there you guys have that damage report on that, how it looks. Hopefully it won't take me too long to get a new bumper and grille and all set up and ready to go again. So what's the plan with this car? Well, one of two things: fix it up, sell it, or fix it up and do the usual. We'll see what happens.